A lot of people are telling me, bro, we need more ApeCoin videos. Give us some updates. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And don't forget to check out the Webull link. They have a special promotion for the month of April. If you use the link in the description box below, you can get up to 5 free stocks worth up to $9,600. First off, you get 2 free stocks just for creating an account, and then you get an additional 3 free stocks if you make a deposit. And deposit can be as low as 1 penny. So check it out and get your free stocks. And now let's jump straight into the video. Like I said in the beginning, guys, I'm in it for the long term. As you guys know, I invested $35,000 into ApeCoin at around $13.70. My initial plan is to pretty much buy and hold. I'm a long-term investor when it comes to ApeCoin. My plan is to take my $35,000, double it, and then sell in order to get out my initial investment. And then keep the rest for massive profits. I know a lot of people watching my channel like to day trade. They like to buy a crypto, make some profits, and get out literally the same day. But sometimes it pays to hold long term. And that is what I'm personally doing. Also, guys, I am lending out my ApeCoin. If you saw my previous video where I literally showed you step by step on how to lend ApeCoin to earn some free tokens. And that is currently what I'm doing with my ApeCoin. For example, let's say I bought 100 ApeCoin at $10 a piece. And then I lent out the full 100 and I earned 50 free ApeCoin at 0 cost. Now I have 150 ApeCoin at the average price of $6.66. That is currently what I'm doing with my position. I'm simply lending it out and I'm earning free ApeCoin literally every single day. Yeah, the interest rates dropped big time since my previous video, but I'm still earning free coins daily. And that is what I plan on doing until the price of ApeCoin goes even higher. For all the people asking for daily updates on my ApeCoin position, literally there's nothing exciting happening. I'm simply holding, lending out my ApeCoin, and that's it. But I do have some positive news about ApeCoin that I'm about to share with you guys. Coinbase to produce Bored Ape Yacht Club animated short films. The 3-part series will feature Bored Ape characters submitted by community members and tie into Coinbase's NFT marketplace. Created with the approval of Yuga Labs, the DJ trilogy will feature characters based on the Bored Ape Yacht Club. The first film in the series will debut at NFT.NYC in June, with the 2 other entries to follow over the next year. As you guys know, Coinbase is one of the biggest exchanges in the world, and they are building their own NFT marketplace. I have a feeling this is just the beginning in their partnership, and more integration, more collaborations are definitely on the way for ApeCoin, the Bored Ape Yacht Club, with the Coinbase NFT marketplace. I believe something special is definitely in the works. Obviously, not financial advice, just my gut feeling. And now let's take a quick look at the charts and the price of ApeCoin. So today, ApeCoin is rebounding nicely. It is literally one of the best performers on CoinMarketCap for today. A nice little rebound is definitely healthy. It is up over 11% on the day and just above $12 per coin. And when we take a look at the 7-day chart, you will see that ApeCoin has very strong support between $10.70 and around $11. Every time it gets to this area, it pretty much has a nice little run up to $12. As you can see, we have tested $12 multiple times, and now we are breaking out once again. And hopefully this rally continues. But as you guys know, the market over the last couple days hasn't been looking healthy. And every time Bitcoin has a big correction, Ethereum follows and all the altcoins do the same. So once Bitcoin starts crashing, everything starts crashing. Also, the rebound is pretty much the same. If Bitcoin starts rebounding, a day later, altcoins rebound as well. Literally, the whole market is performing as one. So there you go, guys, a quick little update on ApeCoin, on my position. I'm still extremely bullish on ApeCoin, and I believe April is going to be a big month. Hopefully we get to around $20. I believe as we get closer to summertime and they start implementing everything that they're working on behind the scenes, the price of ApeCoin should start going up even more. And the rallies are going to be bigger and bigger. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. Do what is right for your portfolio. Do your own research. This is just me sharing my honest opinions on my current position in ApeCoin. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, get your 5 free stocks in the description box below, and see you in the next video. Peace out.